Happy Earth Day! Today is Earth Day. So today's book is Alphabet of Earth. It's by Barbie, Heit, Schwaeber, and it's illustrated by Sally Vitsky. A. A is for air. Air is all around us. We can feel it everywhere. We breathe it in and out each day. To live, we all need air. Air is super important. B is for blizzard. A blizzard is a winter storm. Strong winds gust and blow. The air is very cold and bitter and filled with flying snow. C, continents. Like on our globe in the classroom. Can you name all the continents? Let's see if you can. There are 7 of them here on Earth, each a giant mass of land. D. D is for desert. There's a little rainfall in the desert. Air is sometimes hot and dry. Watch out for those desert creatures and prickly green cacti. E. E is for equator. This line is imaginary, so it means it doesn't really exist. But on a globe, it can be seen. You can find poles north and south, and the equator is in between. F is for forest. Wander in a forest. Feel the cool, light breeze. See insects, plants, and animals, and many tall green trees. G. G is for glaciers. Polar bears love these ice masses, but they're disappearing fast. They once covered much more land back in the ancient past. We talked about that when we learned about penguins. H is for humans. That's us. Humans impact the planet. It's very clear to see. For actions that affect the whole Earth, humans hold the key. Oh, look, they're planting some plants. They're throwing garbage away. Wow, cleaning up the Earth, keeping it nice and clean. I is for island. It's a patch of grass, rock, or sand with water all around it. If you spy this land in the sea, well, you've probably found it. J is for jungle. Reptiles, birds, and insects are the jungle population. This green and leafy environment is brimming with vegetation. Lots of plants. K is for kinetic energy. There are different types of energy, as you might already know. Kinetic energy is the type we need to make things go, like on the roller coaster and a car. L is for longitude and latitude. If you think they are invisible, then you have the right attitude. These lines that divide a map are called longitude and latitude. So longitude up and down, latitude side to side. They're like the equator. They're not really there. Just helps us find things. M is for marsh. You'll find animals, mud, and grass, and water too, which each species needs. And also in the marshland, you'll find rushes, sedges, and reeds. Those are kinds of plants. N. N is for North Pole. At the top of the earth, there's the North Pole, with winter darkness and summer light. It's a land of very thick sea ice, where the northern lights are bold and bright. O is for ocean. Most of the earth is covered by oceans. The Pacific is the largest of all. This giant salty body of water makes all other oceans seem small. P is for prairie. full of busy insects like grasshoppers, ants, and bees. A prairie is flat and has tall green grass with very few, if any, trees. Q is for quartz, a very common component in rocks of different sorts found in sandstone and also granite. This mineral is quartz. R is for recycle. Paper, glass, and plastic make bags, bottles, and jars, reused and recycled. They make books, toys, and cars. So it's important to recycle or reuse. S is for sand. All along the coastlines, washed up on the shore, is gritty, sparkling sand broken down by waves and more. T is for a thunderstorm. Along with bolts of lightning, most often when weather is warm, it's part of typhoons and hurricanes and is known as a thunderstorm. U is for ultraviolet rays. Be careful and wear sunscreen on bright and sunny days. Sunburns can be dangerous, caused by ultraviolet rays. So the sun gives off rays that can hurt our skin, so that's why it's important to wear sunscreen. V is for volcano, a giant sleeping mountain. Then a smoldering, molten eruption. It can form mountains and islands. Yet a volcano can lead to destruction. Oh, look at the lava. Water. W is for water. We all need water to survive. It comes in more forms than you may think. It can be a solid, or a vapor, or a liquid that you drink. So solid water is like ice, and vapor is like the steam that comes from something hot that you're baking, or liquid, like normal how we drink water. It's liquid. X is for xenolith. When you learn what that word means, it may come as a shock. A rock that's called a xenolith is inside another rock. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what are these kids spelling out? Y is for you. You can help the earth. Do you recycle, reuse, and conserve? These are the things that you must do for the planet you want to preserve. Z is for zephyr. A zephyr is a wind that's refreshing, light, and easy. It's soft and cool and mellow too, and can make the summer feel breezy. Our beautiful, marvelous planet, now you've learned what it's all worth. Work hard to protect our special place, the incredible planet Earth. The end. So, on Earth Day today, now you guys did have like a little mini book to complete that gave some ideas on how to help be good to the Earth. And the very last page of that little mini book is a blank page, and you needed to fill in on how you can help the Earth. So today, I want to know what you put in your book or how you can help the Earth. So I'll be excited to hear your answers. Have a great Earth Day!